So I'll start by creating a box on our front reference plane, locked to our axis. I'll make that 100, tab 100, enter, accept. Then I'll just push that back symmetrically, 100 also. And I'll turn off the PMI dimensions. Then I'm coming over here to the box command, and right under the little arrow, I'll pull down to sphere. And I want to add cut, but I want to take away. So I'm going to go cut. I'll click right on the corner and push this out 48. So 48 for the size of the sphere. Now I'll come back to select again, and I want the cutout here. So I'm just going to pick the cutout, and I want to mirror this. So I'm going to go back here and turn on my base reference planes. So I'm going to mirror that right here where it says mirror. It's in the pattern tab. So click on pattern, and I'll mirror around this axis, the right axis. And there it is on the other side. Now I'll come back to select to clear everything, and I'll come back to cut out one and the mirror. So both these, pick those, come back over to pattern, and I'll pattern around the front reference plane. So now I have those on the other side. I'm going to escape again, select. Now I'll come back to cut out one, mirror one, and mirror two. So you might have to hold down the control key to grab the three of those. So it looks like I have those highlighted. And once they're highlighted, I'll come over to the pattern command and select the top reference plane. So just simply using the mirror command, I was able to pattern all those, mirror those all around to every side by just creating one. I'll hit escape, and now I can turn off those base reference planes, also the live sections, right here, the blue. There's my base model. So I'll come over to the thin wall command, and I'm going to thin wall this at 3 millimeters, and I'll identify every planar face. And again, thin wall 3, right mouse click to accept. Now I'll come back to the round command, and I'd like to round all fillets. That's those inside edges, and it's on 20. Let's back up a little to say 15. We could experiment with some other numbers there, but let's just go with 15 to start. And internally, it looks really stunning actually. Very, very cool. So now I'll come back to the round edge command. I'll round all these edges. I'll go pick all these small edges. Let's just go with 15 for the round on that also. And I'll turn off the coordinate system right here. I'm up to view. Change that to studio. And one of the things really highlights this is if we come in here, and it's on red feature right there, let's just come in here. Just grab the inside and change the color there. And then we'll go back to cyan. I like cyan as a color. Grab all those rounds also. And then we could go change those inside edges also. Let's do that just in yellow. and Control I for ISO view.